super excited. We are about to hop on a authorized dealer consultation. He already bought his authorized dealer demo kit. What is that? That is the first step. That is the entry point to iTints journey on how to properly showcase smart film to all your clients. It's a great combination, a great synergy between electric smart film and non-electric smart film. You also receive our power supply, which is the transformer for our smart film. All the cables are inside. You will see how the smart film works, how it turns on, how it turns off, how it gets integrated. And once we get on this call, we're gonna talk business, literally where you are in your business, what kind of business you have, years of experience. Once you join our iTints Academy, you first start with our beginner's course. There you learn our 13-step system. You also learn how to sell our smart film. It's a combination of both. One thing is to install it, the other thing is to sell it. And then thirdly, how to create a business around it. Whether you are an installer, like a window tinter, a vinyl wrap installer, a technician of any kind, and you want to learn the art of smart film, then iTints Technologies is perfect for you. In our iTints Academy, you will learn how to install smart film the right way. Order your authorized dealer demo kit. It gives you access to get on a one-to-one consultation call with me. We discuss business, we discuss logistics, we discuss execution, and most importantly, training. iTints Academy, it's a world's first and only full ecosystem designed to teach you how to install smart film on any and every type of window system.